The story is From Misunderstood to Empowered, My Journey as a Physiotherapist. Once upon a time, in a world filled with stethoscopes and lab coats, I embarked on a journey to make a difference in people's lives as a physiotherapist. Little did I know that this path would be riddled with misunderstandings and dilemmas. Chapter 1. The Graduation. My story begins with my graduation as a physiotherapist. Armed with my degree, I was eager to step into the world of healthcare and rehabilitation. My dream was to help patients recover from their ailments and regain their strength. However, the world had a different perception of my profession. Chapter 2. The Misconception. Every person I met seemed to think I was nothing more than a massage person. The misconception was frustrating and disheartening. People often failed to understand the depth and importance of physiotherapy and healthcare, but I was determined not to let these misunderstandings deter me. Chapter 3. A New Beginning. With a heavy heart, I decided it was time for a change. I left my homeland and embarked on a new adventure in Estonia. There I pursued a master's degree in health informatics. It was a step away from my beloved physiotherapy, but I was willing to explore new horizons. Chapter 4. Global Horizons. My thirst for knowledge and my passion for healthcare were insatiable. I decided to pursue a second master's degree, this time in global health. I wanted to understand the bigger picture of healthcare and the challenges faced by different communities around the world. Chapter 5. The Return. After my global sojourn, I found myself in Saudi Arabia, where I served as a lecturer for physiotherapy students. My experiences in different fields had enriched my perspective, and I was determined to inspire the next generation of physiotherapists. Chapter 6. The Unavoidable Destiny. As I contemplated pursuing my PhD, fate intervened. The research project that beckoned me was about physiotherapy. It was a sign that I couldn't deny any longer. My destiny was intertwined with physiotherapy. I realized that no matter how much people misunderstood my profession, I had a passion for it that couldn't be extinguished. Chapter 7. Embracing My Destiny. Today, I stand proud as a physiotherapist. I've come to terms with the misconceptions that surround my profession. I know that I'm not just a massage person. I'm a healthcare professional dedicated to improving the lives of my patients. Epilogue. The Power of Determination. My journey as a physiotherapist has been a roller coaster ride, filled with twists and turns. But I've learned that determination, passion, and knowledge can overcome any misconception. I am not just a physiotherapist. I am an agent of healing and change in the world of healthcare, and I wouldn't have it any other way.